Hello. So today I'm going to show you my strategy that I created myself. So my strategy is based on two things: divergence and timing, okay? And divergence, I will explain to you what divergence is, and timing, I will show you the exact times that you need to trade in, okay? So start with the timing, okay? So that is the most important thing. Divergence comes second. So if you can see, this type of trades are happening basically almost every day on one currency pair. Okay, so I only trade GU right now because I have backtested it and it have shown good backtest results. Okay, and at least maybe two or maybe even three setups will be formed during the week. Okay, so there could be some days where there is a trade in only one session. So these gray boxes are the sessions. So this is one day. Okay, London, pretty much London open and New York open, and as you can see, there are big moves happening during London, right? 27 pip moves here as well, like 35 pip move. That is on GU. So we can catch these trades. Okay, there will only be one trade per session that we are going to trade. If there are any if there are two setups, let's say there are two setups forming, I would not advise you to trade the second one if you lost the first one. Okay, so if you win the first one, you might risk it because you're already in profit, but if you lost one trade, don't take another trade. So that's basically rule number one. And yeah, so there are two timing boxes here that we are going to trade. So twice a day we're going to try and catch these moves, and we're going to do that with divergence. So I use the MACD, the regular MACD, regular settings, and in the style, all I did, I took off the MACD and I took off the signal. So if I click here, we can get these lines. These lines, they signal us, you see here, this here, and here, these almost like EMA crosses, right? They signal these points where, as you can see, if I zoom in, you can see this first green bar here that changed from red to green. That is when this bar closes. It is the same thing when this candle closes. Okay, so each of these bars are basically the candles. Okay, they signal if it's going up or if it's going down, right? And so what these MACD lines and the signal line does, when this crosses, then this also becomes green. So I don't need these lines, I only need to wait for this new red or green bar to show up for me to know that there is a cross here. So I don't need those, I take them off. So you can, if you're not familiar with MACD or divergences, you can also just look up any YouTube video about divergences and you can dive in deeper in those. But all I'm doing here is taking regular divergences. So there are regular and hidden ones, and I'm not gonna use the hidden ones in this strategy, only regular ones. Okay, so what divergence is, basically we want to see if we want to buy, we want this kind of pattern where there is red mountain here, like an iceberg, then one mountain, one iceberg again, so signaling that the price is going up. But we also need on these, on the price section, we want the price to go down to make a lower low. So a higher high on the MACD histogram, but a lower low on the price. And so what I am looking for is during this gray box, by the way, I am using this lit timing and I have unchecked all these. I don't need all these, I don't need them. And I also by default it shows you the show Asia session, it shows you the Asia session box. I have unticked that off because I don't need that. I don't use that in this strategy, so I don't need that. And by the way, the times for me, I am on UTC +2, so UTC +2 Riga time. So this is from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. and this here, the New York session, it is from 15 or 3 p.m. till 4 p.m. So these are the only times that we are going to trade in. So what am I looking for here? As I said, first of all, I need regular divergence, and I'm going to target at least 2 RR here, at least. But originally I was targeting this high, this session high, and as you can see, it almost touched it. It almost took it out, but it didn't. So if I was stubborn and you know, like if I did not close it before, then I might even have took a loss. So that would be really painful for me. Like the price already went up so high. So, but I took it off around here. I saw big profits in my account, in my demo account that I'm doing right now, because I was backtesting this strategy, and so now I'm forward testing it on a demo account. And I can show you in my Discord, which by the way you can join if you have not joined yet. Here is the trade that I took, the same one I was showing you in Tradingview. So you can see here, this was when I entered. You can see on my MT4, this is when I entered. As I said, I was targeting these highs here, but I actually took it off manually around here. So yeah, right here I took it off, and I had three small positions, one by one, and I closed them all at 100 USD profit, and it was only 1% for the account, and the account was 10k. So I think I have made like 3 trades, 3 sessions I played and yeah, so far it is 2.6% up, basically in a week, I think, because I'm also working full-time right now, and I just think that this strategy could be the one that finally works for me. So if you think that this is something that you would like to learn more about, because it is pretty much really simple, you know, I have a PDF. So here is the PDF. You can get this PDF if you join my Discord channel. It is for free. Here is my Discord channel. Here you can see I'm posting a lot of my backtesting trades, losers also. You can see I had 3 losses in a row. That happens, but then as you can see, you can win it all back in one trade, and if you get another trade that wins, then you're up 3 RR again. So the RR is good, at least 2. You can target 3 RR as well if you want. Here we have a chat room. I don't have anyone here yet. So the course, here is the divergence timing strategy PDF. So when you open it, you have this, all the rules, 22 rules. It might seem overwhelming, but actually it's really not. So here are all the rules with pictures and stuff like that, and this is something you get for free when you join my Discord. So if you want, you can do that. Bye.